Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is visiting the school or college library conversation. Listen, read, and then repeat.
Hey Tony, what are you doing here? Are you fond of reading too? Never thought I would bump into you at a library. You are so right. In fact, hardly anyone knows that I love reading. Maybe since I am so much into outdoor activities. Maybe. Your outdoor engagements must be shadowing your indoor interests. And thus everybody believes what they see. By the way, I came here to pick a book, but I'm confused. Not even one seems to interest me. Can you help me find one? Maybe you overlooked. If it were me, I would dig the place a bit more until I find something that I like. Anyways, which book are you reading? Deadly Monsters. Oh, I was searching for something similar. Which section of the library keeps those kinds of books? You can walk up to that corner and have a look. Not sure if they have something similar, but I'm getting this book issued today, and will return it the next Friday. Probably. I'll get it issued immediately once you return it. In the meantime, I will try reading something I never laid my hands on. Who knows? It might just tickle my interest. By the way, that's how we made this far, right? What do you mean by that? I mean, we are avid readers today because initially we were exposed to different types of stories, irrespective of who wrote them. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Then doesn't it mean that now we need to follow a similar approach? And be open to reading all types of genres from different authors? I get you now. You are so right. I'll be back in a moment with something new. I'm here. Take your time. Hey, look what have I found. Is this something that makes sense to you? It's very close. It's a book about a ferocious dinosaur war. Oh no, I must get this book issued immediately. Otherwise, I might never get it. Let's go to the librarian's desk. Hurry up, we shouldn't be late for our class. By the way, even you have to get your book issued. Oh God, I almost forgot about it. I got so engrossed helping you. I understand, but honestly speaking, you really helped me reach a conclusion.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then like and share my videos within your network.